This video covers dashboard filters in ThousandEyes. Dashboard filters allow you to apply a single set of filters to an entire dashboard, making it easy to visualize and isolate different services, geographic regions, or user groups without changing the underlying widgets or settings. This means you can oversee multiple contexts from a single dashboard without duplicating dashboards or adjusting filters on each widget individually. Let's take a closer look at how this feature works. In this example, create a new filter. Start by navigating to the dashboard where you want the filter applied, and click the Filters tab. You'll see three options. Select Add Filters to create a new one. Next, choose your data source. You can filter by network and app synthetics, endpoint experience, or alerts. To add or remove filter criteria, click the three dots on the right-hand side. For this example, imagine your widgets were originally set up for a specific group of tests and agents, but now you need to view data from other tests immediately. Click the Test drop-down menu, disable the option Used in Widget Filters, and then select the tests you want to see. Click the Agents drop-down menu, disable the option Used in Widget Filters, and then select the agents you want to see. Once you've made your selection, click Apply. Your dashboard will automatically update, showing only the tests and agents that match the filters you selected. To narrow down what you see under the filter options, you can use the labels you created within Test Labels and Agent Labels. Keep in mind that any existing filters applied at the widget level will be replaced by the dashboard level filter. To make things easier, you can also save your filter choices as a filter set for future use by clicking Filters, then selecting Save Filters. In the Save Filters side panel, enter a unique name for your filter. Add a description to help you remember its purpose. Keep in mind that the filter name must be unique within your organization or account group. Click Add to save the filter. A notification will appear at the bottom right of your screen once the filter is successfully saved. To use a saved filter, click Filters and choose Load Saved Filters. This opens a detailed list of filters along with their descriptions and other relevant information. You can also set a saved filter as the default for your dashboard. To do this, click More Options and click Edit Dashboard. Then pick the filter from the Saved Filters drop-down menu and save your changes. That covers dashboard filters in ThousandEyes. With filters, you can streamline your dashboards, switch between services or regions quickly, and save filter sets for future use, making monitoring easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching.